Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your JBL speaker. Resetting your speaker can be a quick fix for many common problems. If you're experiencing issues like difficulty connecting via Bluetooth, unexpected sound distortions, or even strange volume fluctuations, a reset can often bring your speaker back to optimal performance. It essentially gives your device a fresh start, clearing out any minor software glitches that might have accumulated over time, ensuring a smoother listening experience for you. First, let's try a simple soft reset, which can often resolve minor issues without erasing your custom settings. To do this, simply power off your JBL speaker completely. Make sure to disconnect all cables, including the charging cable and any auxiliary inputs. Then, wait for at least 10 seconds before powering it back on. This quick power cycle can clear temporary software bugs, and you might find your speaker is working perfectly again without needing a full factory reset. If a soft reset doesn't do the trick, a factory reset is your next step. This will return your speaker to its original, out-of-the-box settings. First, ensure your JBL speaker is powered on. Now, locate the volume down button and the play/pause button. You'll need to press and hold both of these buttons simultaneously for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. Your speaker will then power off, which is the clear indication that the factory reset has been successfully completed. Once your JBL speaker has completed the factory reset and powered off, it's time to repair it with your devices. First, power your speaker back on. Then, on your phone, tablet, or other audio source, navigate to its Bluetooth settings and put it into pairing mode. You should see your JBL speaker appear in the list of available devices. Select it to re-establish the connection. Finally, play some audio to confirm everything is working perfectly again. Enjoy your refreshed sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.